In September 2025, Ethiopia unveiled Africa's largest hydroelectric project, the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. With a staggering 5,150 megawatt capacity, this $5 billion megadam is poised to reshape Africa's energy future. But what does this mean for Ethiopia and the continent at large? Chapter 1. Ethiopia's Grand Ambition. In 2011, Ethiopia began constructing the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, also known as the GERD, on the Blue Nile River to address decades of energy shortages. Standing 145 meters tall and nearly 2 kilometers wide, GERD is more than a dam. It is a symbol of national pride. Before GERD, millions of Ethiopians lived with unreliable electricity, facing blackouts lasting hours or days. Factories often stopped production, hospitals struggled, and rural communities remained in darkness. GERD was designed to provide stable electricity, boost economic growth, and position Ethiopia as a regional energy powerhouse, exporting power to Sudan, Kenya, Djibouti, and Tanzania. GERD reflects Ethiopia's long-term vision, where energy security underpins industrialization, urban development, and social progress. It is a statement of capability and ambition, showing Africa that large-scale projects are achievable. Chapter 2. Building the Giant. Constructing GERD was an unprecedented engineering feat. Over 10 million cubic meters of concrete were poured from local sources to build a reservoir holding 74 billion cubic meters of water. The dam features 13 turbines, generating 5,150 megawatts, more than double Ethiopia's capacity before the project. Engineers had to divert the Blue Nile, a risky but essential step to construct the foundation. GERD is reinforced with saddle dams and spillways, designed to withstand extreme weather and earthquakes. This makes it Africa's largest and most advanced dam, demonstrating Ethiopia's technical expertise and to manage a megaproject independently. Chapter 3. Powering Ethiopia. Before GERD, Ethiopia's electricity supply was unstable and scarce. Cities like Addis Ababa experienced daily rolling blackouts, while rural areas went without power. Factories and businesses struggled, hospitals faced operational challenges, and students often studied by candlelight. Now, with GERD fully operational in 2025, millions of Ethiopians have access to consistent electricity. Factories operate uninterrupted, hospitals maintain reliable services, and homes enjoy dependable lighting. The dam has doubled the country's electricity capacity, enabling Ethiopia to export power to neighboring countries, generating new revenue streams and strengthening regional ties. For the first time, Ethiopia can envision industrialization at scale, powered by its own energy. The impact is immediate. Industries can plan without fear of blackouts, urban centers can expand, and rural communities can access modern energy services, laying the foundation for comprehensive national development. Chapter 4. Economic Transformation. GERD has become a catalyst for economic growth. During its construction, it created thousands of jobs, from engineers and technicians to laborers, boosting local economies. Communities near the project benefited directly from infrastructure improvements, transportation, and access to services. With stable energy, Ethiopia is attracting foreign investment in manufacturing, technology, and agriculture. Reliable electricity reduces operational costs, encourages entrepreneurship, and supports urbanization, positioning Ethiopia as a hub for modern industry in Africa. The dam is projected to generate over $1 billion annually in revenue through electricity exports, further strengthening the national economy. GERD is not just a source of power, it is a foundation for long-term prosperity, creating opportunities for millions and reshaping Ethiopia's economic landscape. Chapter 5. Balancing Progress and Nature. GERD's reservoir covers 1,874 square kilometers, impacting ecosystems, fish populations, and local communities. Wildlife adapted to new habitats, and residents adjusted to changes in water levels. Even with these effects, GERD offers significant environmental benefits. It regulates seasonal flooding, provides a reliable water supply for irrigation, and enables sustainable agriculture. Ethiopia collaborated with international experts to balance development and environmental protection, ensuring that the Megadam supports both economic growth and ecological stewardship. The project demonstrates how large infrastructure can address multiple challenges: power shortages, food security, and water management, while minimizing ecological damage. GERD sets a benchmark for sustainable megaprojects, showing that development can coexist with environmental responsibility when carefully planned. Chapter 6: Africa's Energy Powerhouse. GERD's impact extends far beyond Ethiopia by producing more electricity than the country previously. Consumed, Ethiopia has become a regional energy hub, exporting power to Sudan, Kenya, Djibouti, and Tanzania. These exports foster regional cooperation, strengthen economic integration, and help neighboring countries develop industry and infrastructure. GERD has effectively reshaped Africa's energy map, positioning Ethiopia as a continental leader in renewable energy. The project is a symbol of ambition, technical skill, and political vision, showing how large-scale infrastructure can deliver both economic independence and geopolitical influence. Chapter 7: Diplomatic Challenges. Even with its benefits, GERD has sparked diplomatic tensions, especially with Egypt and Sudan, which fear that the dam may affect their water supply and agriculture. Ethiopia insists that GERD will not harm downstream nations if transparent and cooperative management is maintained. Negotiations have continued for years, but no binding water release agreement has been finalized. The situation illustrates the delicate balance between national development and regional diplomacy, emphasizing that trust, dialogue, and shared management are crucial to ensure that the dam benefits the entire region peacefully. GERD highlights how infrastructure and diplomacy must work hand in hand to support sustainable development. Chapter 8: A Legacy of Progress. Looking ahead, GERD is more than a hydroelectric facility. It is a symbol of Africa's potential. The dam ensures energy security, promotes industrial growth, and enables regional power exports, demonstrating how vision, investment, and engineering excellence can transform a nation. Ethiopia's success with GERD serves as a model for large-scale infrastructure projects across the continent. The ultimate lesson is clear: infrastructure can empower nations, but political cooperation and trust are essential to share these benefits peacefully. GERD stands as a beacon for future development, continental unity, and lasting progress, a story of vision, perseverance, and the transformative power of energy. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam is more than concrete and turbines. It is a continent-changing project with energy security, industrial growth, and regional influence. Ethiopia is writing a new chapter for Africa. Like, share, and subscribe to explore more stories of Africa's biggest transformations.